it's your girl Erica the Esthetician, and this video is of my journey of becoming an esthetician. So guys, I am Erica. I'm 26 years old. I'm originally from Georgia and I live in Miami Beach, Florida. I have a spa suite located on South Beach, and I do waxing, facials, makeup, and ombre brows. So guys, definitely come check me out if you need some services. Even if you're on vacation and you want to get a facial or your makeup done, girl, hit me up, DM me. I have Instagram, skinnitout_aesthetics, Erica the Esthetician, and also beauty by Erica _MUA. And I know I have 3 pages, but it's like I like my pages. Each of my pages have like a different kind of thing going on, but at the same time it all ties together. So guys, this video I just wanted to make to inspire other people who wanted to become an esthetician, or if you're thinking about changing your career, you're inspired by estheticians and you just want to watch this video, well, this is for you. So let's talk about my journey. So first things first, becoming an esthetician, I guess we can break it down into steps, right? Step 1, you want to get your license. So to get my license in Florida, I think it was like 300 and something hours. I don't remember, but I went to Bellesa. It's a school in North Miami, and it was cool. It was very small, intimate setting. We had probably about 15 to 20 people in our class, and it was really good. I liked it a lot. And with that school, it's like you can go there any week and start, because it's like whatever week you start on, that's the week you end on. And I think I went for like 4 months, because it took me a little longer. I think it's like I went for 4 months, I think, because maybe missed a week or 2 or had some things going on. But yeah. So yeah, the teacher there is great. I loved her. She was just so passionate and she just taught us so well. I loved it. So that was exciting and it was good. And then if you want to learn anything extra though, I'm gonna tell you guys this. They're gonna tell you basically you gotta pay extra to learn like body sculpting, lashes, anything extra you gotta pay extra to learn that at the school. So yeah, they don't teach you that much. They teach you a lot about like skincare and the products and ingredients. They really teach you about ingredients, and really pay attention to that, because that's going to help you be the best esthetician. But as far as learning how to do lashes, how to do brows, in-depth makeup, stuff like that, you're not going to get that. Like, they just teach you the chemicals, like, and the actual ingredients more so, and the steps, but not like in detail, like, you know, how to make things flawless. So for those type of things, you might want to try to take a course or get a certification. So I am certified in ombre brows, which I love. You can do that by getting your tattoo license, and you can take a course as well. So yeah, and then after you graduate, I graduated last year on 2/22. Yep. So I graduated last year. Right after I started working at a lash studio, they did teach you how to do lashes there, so that's why I agreed to try that out. However, I didn't really like it there. It didn't work out. I left real quick because the manager, she wasn't the person who hired me, and it just felt like it wasn't clicking, so we had to get up on out of there anyway. But so after that, I started working at a med spa, and the med spa was like really good. I loved it. I worked there up until last month, because this month I actually branched out on my own. But yeah, so at the med spa, it was really cool. I met great people, great clients. They did all type of things there: laser, IPL, threads, non-surgical BBL, injections. So everything was going on in there. So it was cool, and it was a great mixture of clientele. But it was definitely time for me to do something different, because it just wasn't completely, I feel like for me, it wasn't completely me. I wasn't able to do things the way I would like to do them, as far as like my procedures and my products and expansion like I wanted to. So I decided to branch out and be a solo esthetician. Yes, guys. So your girl is located on South Beach, Miami. So definitely come visit me. Yes, but even if you're on vacation, come visit me. So yeah, um, I decided to do that, and that's what I initially wanted to do anyway from the start of school. But I did want to start working somewhere first, which I did for a year, so I can see and grow and learn, the business. Now, when I first graduated high school, I actually did work in a salon, and I learned so much there because I did a lot of makeup there. So it actually really tied into what I'm doing now. I got to see how she ran her salon, and it really helps me with my business model now. So I think that was meant for me. But yeah, it's just crazy how things worked out. So yeah, guys. Um, so after school and after those 2 jobs, but I want to give you guys a tip real quick. Before you start looking for your jobs, make sure you figure out what you really want to do. Like if it's lashes, if it's makeup, if it's facials and stuff while you're in school, really pay attention and try different things out and really see what you want to do. So you can only, put your focus onto that thing and practice it. So when you do get into the field, you know what you're doing and you're doing it. Okay, guys, so I wanted to tell you about the cost. So the cost of the school, I think, was like $3,200, and that included books, and then like outside courses and things cost more. Like to get your certification for brows, that costs depending on who you go to, or if you just do your blood-borne pathogens course, that costs as well. So yeah, everything has, expenses to it. Even becoming a solo esthetician, I put out a pretty penny to, go out on my own. So guys, it is expensive because you have to get through school first. So that's what, like $3,000, and then, if you get some extra courses or whatever, that can run you probably 4,000 to 4,500. And then, just in case y'all thinking about like the price and everything. And then after that, the supplies, getting into your building and all that stuff. I'm gonna do a video, in-depth detail video about getting into my spa suite, because I want to tell you about the prices and products and everything. Yeah, because it's a lot. It's really a lot, guys. Like the products is expensive, can be expensive, especially if you want to work with multiple lines. I recommend starting out with one line, and then like for me, I do multiple services, so my cost is more expensive, but it allows me to be able to provide more services to make more money. So you have to kind of weigh out your options and see what you're going to do with it. Okay, guys, so yeah, so after you finish doing your schooling, get your license, and you do your first jobs or whatever, I decided to branch out as a solo esthetician, and I'm so excited about this new journey I'm on. I'm going to take you guys on it with me. I'm going to have some vlogs and different things, so definitely subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my journey and more tips, and just learn and really enjoy. If you just enjoy watching aesthetics, this channel's for you. Bye, guys.